You don't know this is AP.
And you don't know him on the camera pan Queen Jody.
Cause me just like me like Jody, me like to film you. You look really nice. You know, you're just little and cute, so you see it. Yeah, so me like to point the camera here. I say go when you have a husband, we love you. Mama Africa, I am coming home. Back to the place where I belong. Yes, I can see it clearly now. Black seed, we are black seed to the motherland. Don't wanna be a slave in this your land. Tell them, say them can't touch we any day. Can't touch we any day. Just can't touch we any day. Yeah, family, so welcome back to the channel, guys. Shout out to everybody who has been supporting our channel thus far. Yeah, it means a lot. I soon turn on the camera for me and Jody, but we're fruit fasting in the Gambia on Ramadan. It's weird.
What kind of fruit fasting you call?
But Jody, but this is we blend up the what is the melon and the pine.
Melon and pine.
Mm-hmm.
No,
but now your glass.
Melon use.
Me I go show now so.
Because this melon and it gonna look like.
Me show the people so.
Hey, please fix up the place when you're done.
No, me not do anything. So we stop and we buy some banana and apple, and then this is the melon. This is the melon. I first may see a melon like this, but me never, yeah. You know, since me come Africa, I mean, I've never seen it in Jamaica before.
Yeah.
It kind of have a, what you call this, Jody? Cantaloupe look and feel.
Like the hybrid plant.
It may be hybrid. I am not sure, but them say it's melon, but it look cantaloupe.
The seed look cantaloupe.
Yeah, so maybe it's just a oversized cantaloupe.
No, maybe it's just a hybrid.
Right, whatever. And we have pine here, and we blend it up using our, our blender here. Sometimes you know, but I want for something. You know, but I want to just eat the fruit and this is what I always tired. You know? Jody, tell the people them why you love workout yourself. So like,
maybe I'm not tired. I didn't do it.
Because me see some comments of some people that tell me how me overwork you and how me not help you do nothing and the boy AP and the boy AP. You know, defend your husband. Thank you so much, darling.
Anyways,
am I a helpful husband? I don't know.
Of course you are. Sometimes you tell me if you go lay down in that bed and you do everything. Sometimes you don't like keep me body quiet.
But me really want you to tell them that to me, cause people always eat me out when the comment section, you know.
I already tell me say if you need to move something, call me. Me just I'm gonna go do what me I do. And they hear me. John, what is that you doing around here?
Okay. Thank you so much. You hear it from her people. So anybody want me to make no more comment bashing me?
That man I chew my love clean, so it is.
But Jody, I said the last time I was joke, but you really need to start a cleaning, decorating business. Probably throw property management on it. I don't know.
I gotta start one.
Yeah, you should. Cause see, you get your first potential customer there.
Property management, decor and cleaning.
Yeah.
Services.
I think that would have suit you. I will help you, of course. And then probably you can vlog about that on your channel. Yeah? Yes?
Yeah, we can vlog about cleaning on my channel for sure.
Cleaning, of course.
And DIY stuff.
Yes.
To organize a space.
Yeah, cause that's needed. And you have that in spades, darling. Like you just love it. Clean. And right now, see she have them up over there, so that you know what that means. Cleaning time. And so it's good. Cleanliness is next to godliness, they say.
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Yes.
We need one of them something to put yourself so we can take out them out of the crate.
May I ask a question? When you look on an empty space, you just visualize everything we could have did, you know?
Yeah.
That's just your thing.
This need like that corner you can do it on shelving.
Right, that's all.
Yeah, that corner, right. So.
That is true. So, Ramadan is on in the Gambia. And everybody not eat until a certain time, the whole day.
Well, people start eating already.
Them start eating now. Yeah, so we have fruit fast. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Jody.
Of course, I would want some CMAS, yes.
Please do that. Oh, somebody I bring CMAS to it. Family, please carry some CMAS. Ah, we need CMAS. Jody, what's that on your shirt? What's that on your shirt? Please explain that on your shirt.
Black seed to the motherland.
In that the land.
Then I said they can't touch we energy, can't touch we energy, just can't touch we energy.
So hold on there. That's a lyric from the song.
Yeah. Black seed to the motherland.
A lot of people say we wear their shirt and think it represents something else, but it's a lyric from a song.
Yeah, but black seed represent a meaning.
It means
black seed.
It means what? Repatriating.
Yeah, exiting.
Coming back.
Yeah.
Sankofa.
Yeah.
Well, not Sankofa. Sankofa mean go back to look back to whatever forward.
Going back to go forward, but
yeah, that kind of sound stuck to me. No disrespect to Sankofa, but just thinking about it. Anyways, let me just
it's not that epi. Like when you have an experience or experiences, you have a time when you have to do assessment.
That is true.
Yeah. So you sit down and you self-assess and you say, okay.
Sorry about that, guys.
This and this happened. Why did it happen? You know. You look at the why and the how, and you look at when it even happened too.
That's true.
And then you can say who involved in what happened. Yeah. And then you say, okay, based on this, if I had done this, this would have been the result.
Okay.
So next time
I won't do this.
I will do this.
That's true.
You understand?
If a lot of us were doing that, would I be better off?
So that is what Sankofa really means, going back to go forward. It's not basically like
necessarily
you
going back.
House and then you broke it down again. 50 billion again.
What nothing wrong with that? If the house not built good, that's cool. You see me I say? Rise up.
Oh, Mama Africa. Yes, I can see it. The day when we all shall rise. We shall overcome, no matter how they try to chain me. We shall overcome, yeah. I say no matter how them try to break us inside.
I don't know. I mean, seriously. So, guys, if you're not wondering why we're in the house so much, you understand? We touch the road.
We're on hibernation.
Yeah, we have to take a break. Everybody are cuss we out anyways, especially me. Oh my God, I don't love fire. Me, I tell you,
Epi, nobody can cuss. They say, oh God.
Yes, I understand. But you know what they say? It's like we have been doing a lot, guys, all over the place. I mean it, from one corner, well, this side of Gambia. We don't cross the river yet in terms of like, since we crossed from Senegal come here, we have not crossed the ferry yet to another side of Gambia yet, but hopefully soon we'll do that. But from we come here, we have been all over the place, and we love it, not complaining about that, but yeah, it's time for us to take a little break, then do the business. We have a business that we register. We don't start do it officially yet fully.
I'm gonna register my new one.
Yeah, and anybody who listen, if you're coming back to the Gambia and you want your house to clean, if you're coming back to the Gambia and you want your house to clean, or if you're not in the Gambia and you want your house to like get maintenance, decorating, whatever, I am putting it out there. Contact us. Queen Jody will be on the job. Yes, please reach out, contact us.
Charge good for the service.
I mean, when we say cleaning, I don't mean like we mean cleaning like what you say Jody I do. Yes, that's the type of cleaning.
Basic cleaning and rearranging.
And decorating and stuff like
that.
And yeah. This Jody, I actually think this is very good for you because you're one of the most creative person. Like me know. So this would be really good for you. I'm happy for you, I am. Yeah. Me see you struggle to find what you really want to do, but you have multiple stuff So to see you doing things where you love, that's why sometimes I'm not fast with you. So when you do your thing, I just kick back and watch you. I mean, we record you. Because, you know, I know you're happy doing it. So if me come in, it's like me a singer, then you grab the mic from me. So yeah, that's that. Me a singer, and you grab the mic. Then basically, yeah, interrupt the thing. So when I see you do your little decorating and you're cleaning and things.
You know, so that staircase thing actually cool.
Yeah, no, can just kick back and all our reasoning. Yeah, baby.
So then why would I sit down on your chair? I really want to sit down up his
But you realize it tempted. It's like you have to sit down right here, so I don't know. You have to sit down right here, so.
Lay down right here, so to
Yeah.
cool and nice.
Shout out to the family. Shout out to you. Nah, tell her you design this nice. It's a really nice design. Just come in here, just make you want to catch. Or is it because of what we used to do at Jamaica? You know, remember what at Jamaica?
We are yardy people, you know. When we say yardy, we're like, we're not the IP type kind of person. I say you can't do your thing, you know, but you see me, but just go so I like my frack and go so. If I saw, catch me anyway.
This over there.
So you have some stoosh people.
Yeah, I know you're a real roller, man, from a long time. You see me?
That's why I can't angle myself, you know. No, any situation, really.
Yeah, do good for a young girl. I mean, travel to Africa with your husband.
I don't know this young thing.
Yeah, but I mean, seriously, no, on a real levels. Young girl, travel to Africa, and I like you travel with no millions of dollars, just $500. And with your husband, basically never have no money, nothing at all. You come here, you find a house to live in, you get a car, sell the car, move out of the house, in our next house, doing stuff, helping people from all over the world. You know, out of the goodness of your heart. I mean, that's amazing.
Yeah.
It's amazing. I mean, I have to commend you because you push me. Because you know me, I'm the laid back type of person. I am laid back. So if you never get up and say, "Hey P, let's go," yeah, I probably would have just laid back, you know. Yeah, so.
I choke, I never want to live for you, so you know it's hard to move, man.
Yeah, it's really hard for me to move, guys, because you know, when you know a place where you're born and grow, it's like moving is one of the hardest things. Moving to anywhere at all, not just Africa.
Well, not
it's
moving
hard.
to Africa wasn't that bad because you had the experience of moving prior to coming to Africa. Mm-hmm. Like where you're used to when you move, you root up yourself from yesterday, you move go to Kingston. You know. And you're sure, you prove to yourself that we can take care of myself and my family. That is true. Without nobody. No mother, no father, no sister, no brother. Nobody. Just you and your wife. And you pay your rent, you pay your light, you pay your water, you buy your food. All if you don't have no food, you buy.
Exactly. All them sitting there.
Yes. But yeah, maintain yourself and you pay back your bills then when you want to pay back. Yeah, you prove to yourself, say,
you can live. It was a good experience because you learn a lot, you know.
And the thing, you know, a lot of people feel to understand, like we're not afraid of challenges when them come. Cause we might be at first, you might be like, God, what is now? But you just brace yourself and take on the challenge. Because you know what? If you don't go through the fire, you won't know if you can go. You understand what I mean?
That is true.
You won't know if you can last.
Yeah, and then, you know, when challenges hit, oh my God. But what is life without challenges, right? You have to face challenges, man. And then you come out of that stronger, you know?
Yeah, so we have to stay positive, like, in every situation.
That's what we do. So anybody out there who is wondering, oh, you guys do it, that's how we do it.
I'm not saying, I have some people, boy, so you mean, so I'm not for ball, yeah, if you want to cry, you cry.
So we not cry too?
Yeah, sometimes crying is the best thing, because you can't talk, so you just ball it out, and then you know, say, alright.
Hey, take time then, no matter mash up it, you see it. Thank you very much.
Yes.
But I
You
understand.
just brace up yourself.
You have to toughen up yourself, man. And for me, that's what I had to do.
Them said the race is not for the swift, nor the battle for the strong, but for those who can endure.
Exactly. And we are enduring, family. We're enduring, and we say.
It was nice altitude also.
Oh, that. Hey, you are. Listen to me. So we're here in the Motherland family. Remember to like the video, please do keep supporting, keep sharing, keep watching the ads them do. Shout out to everybody who support us by watching the ads, by giving the video a thumbs up, by sharing it. Shout out to everybody who give us, a little PayPal donation, a little MoneyGram something. Thank you so much, family. We appreciate, love you. And shout out to everybody that visit the website. Purchase a single, one of a song from there, or a shirt. As I say, Jody's rocking her Black Sit to the Motherland shirt. It's there as well, and some others. Shout out to everybody who consider joining the AP Squad community. Nobody not join yet, but that's cool. It's there. It's not a forced thing. Yeah, but we just start creating our own platform would be the best thing. Yeah. And we don't regret that.
It is the best thing.
It did it.
It's like your home.
Yeah, we in control of that. We don't control YouTube, but we control our website. So family have to know if it's a long-term support or it's a short-term one. Everything that on the website, family. So yeah, Queen, me Hannah get tired now like yours when you have ball, when you have the phone. So I mean, the people them are tune out.
I mean, I think you say you turn the camera on you. Just
next video. I said next video.
I said next
I
video.
said next video. Jody, I said next video.
Just give me the rest of that juice thing.
I am soon doing it. Until next time, family, remember to
accept knowledge, raise your frequency, protect your roots.
Alright, next video, me turn the camera up on you, so it's not a problem.
Jaja keep me far from me enemies. The one that take my life and my energy. Tell them say me tired of the struggle me face. So me a pray.